Hey, it's Wesley here, and today I am unboxing our September subscription box. So let me show you what's in it. So this month's subscription box is all about fall decor, but of course we wanted to include a few core pieces that you could use after the fall season as well. So the first thing that I'm starting with is one of our risers here. This is a tin riser, has a nice whitewash finish on it. So we're gonna use a couple of these to build different heights for our box. Now, everything that we included in our box, I'm gonna show you how to arrange it together here, or you can obviously use it separately. So I'm gonna start here on our tallest pillar, and I'm gonna soften this up by adding one of our Hops accent rings. And then in our accent ring, I'm gonna include one of our Vince Cotera pillar candles. Loving this color combo. Then we're gonna step down to our next riser, and I am going to use one of our pumpkins. We're just gonna simply place that on there. Now your pumpkin may be a little bit different. We did a wide selection of color combos, so your pumpkin may be a different color. Then to bring this on down, I am using one of our wheat stems. I'm gonna lay this on its side here just to soften up this combo. We included this because you could also use it in a vase if you needed a filler. Like I said, you can use these items all separately if you choose to do so. And then we're gonna finish off this combo with two of our little mini pumpkins. Again, you may get different color pumpkins than these. And this completes our September subscription box. We hope you enjoy it.